Wait, do you know why we say bless you after someone sneezes? It's not just a polite habit. Long ago, people thought that sneezing let evil spirits out of your body. It's a tradition with a deep meaning. And saying bless you was a way of protecting yourself from those spirits. Another theory is that people believed that sneezing could stop your heart for a second. So bless you was a way of wishing someone well. It's also a way to show kindness and concern. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's not just a habit. If you've learned something new, don't forget to like and follow for more fun facts.